Hi y'all, it's me, Loretta, with another junk journal share. I know it's been a long time since I've made a video for you guys, and I apologize about that, but sometimes life just gets in the way, and that's what happened with me. So I'm going to try to get on board with making you guys videos a little bit more often. At any rate, I do have several flip throughs to do. So let's jump right in. I did another video of a junk journal with the Prima Wild and Free collection. I also won a junk trunk kit, the very first junk trunk kit, which is done by Jessica Huffman. I hope I'm saying your name right. I am going to put a link to her Etsy shop and to her YouTube channel in the description bar down below in case you want to check out her YouTube channel or check out her kits. I really enjoyed playing with that kit, y'all. What I did was I did coffee dye the papers, and you guys can go check out. She's got a video of the kit. There are several videos of the kits. So I didn't do a video of the kit per se, but I was so excited to win. And at any rate, I'm just going to go ahead and flip through. You guys, be gentle, because I really never have done junk journals like this before. And you guys are going to have to tell me, this is the first time I've ever used a sewing machine, and I was so in love with all these tassels, and I don't know if I need to, like, tone it down and cut them off, or leave them, or what, so you guys will have to leave me, comment, and let me know what you think. Okay, so I'm just going to flip through, and I'm not going to, like, pull every single thing out everywhere. I'm just going to kind of flip through, and as I said, I did coffee dye. Now, this book was a really old book that I picked up at the Goodwill, and so I did cut out some parts of the book to save, to put in these little tuck spots. So, and I did make this to use on our Carnival cruise, and I was not faithful at all in using it, so I don't know that I might not take the things out of this and just use it the next time that I get in the mood to do a December daily. Anyway, moving on. This is a pretty big junk journal. This is from the book, and I did sew it onto a piece of paper to stabilize it. I mean, this is from this book. Okay, and I did use some Webster's Pages paper. This is also from the book. I just made a couple of little tags to go in there. So, and if you guys have any questions, this was in the kit. Cute. And of course I put a little sticker on there and coffee dyed it and just cutened it right up. I'm addicted. I sewed, I think, on everything. This was the inscription that was in this book that I used to make this junk journal. And I seriously think, y'all, I'm addicted to making them. They're so much fun. This is also from that book. I just cut a little shape out of it. So, anyway, cute little pieces of ephemera. Here is Jessica's card from where I won that kit. And I just thought the end of it was so cute that I just put it in there like a piece of ephemera. And little tags everywhere. And where I tied on or sewed onto these tags, I left the strings out. So you guys are going to have to tell me, is that distracting? Do I need to cut them? Like, see, where I sewed on this paper, I just literally, see, this is the inside part of this book. And I just literally left all the strings out. I don't know. What do you think? You guys are going to have to let me know what you think. Isn't that cute? And I sewed that because I was afraid that it might, see, I was afraid it might come apart. And I didn't want that. So I need to start going a little bit faster, so because there's just so much in this book. Little pocket, little side pocket, little tuck spots. Just so much. So many places for photos, for journaling. And, you know, I was kind of afraid to coffee dye this because I went back on this paper after I coffee dyed it and ironed it so that it would lay a little bit more flat, like this bag. That's a good example. After I coffee dyed that, it really warped, and I didn't like that. So I went back through and ironed those. Made a little pocket out there. Just little tags and pockets, and I found these little stickers that I thought were so cute. And this is a really fat book. Really, really, really fat. Tons and tons. Uh-oh, look. There's a blank one. Go back through there and put some in there, huh? Little pocket. I love these little foil stickers. I thought they were so cute. And then this is a big, that's the, I don't know what you would call that, description of this original book that I used. Okay, so that's it, and all I did was just tie that together with some ribbon that I just doubled over and doubled over again. And y'all, I did not really work hard to make a super pretty bow. I just kind of tied it and went, and there you have it. So I hope you enjoyed my flip through, and if you guys did, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. And I do have another flip through that I'm going to do here in just a minute, so y'all stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye now.